The results of Amethi, one of the most talked about seats in the Lok Sabha elections, have become a topic of great discussion. As MP Smriti Irani lost, and Congress's Kishori Lal Sharma won from this seat, and that too by a margin of 1,67,000 votes. There was suspense in Amethi for a long time, whether Priyanka Gandhi will contest from this seat, Rahul Gandhi or who else. Kishori Lal Sharma's name was announced quite late by the Congress. But the election results surprised everyone, so in today's video we are trying to explain to you, what is the reason behind Smriti Irani's defeat in Amethi. The biggest reason for Smriti Irani's defeat was that she could not erase the memories of the development work done by the Gandhi family in Amethi region during her 5 years as an MP. It is believed that the Gandhi family has an emotional bond with Amethi. Amethi is a seat from where Sanjay Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi have been MPs. However, due to Narendra Modi's popularity in the 2019 elections, people gave Smriti Irani a chance from here, but Smriti Irani did not live up to the expectations of the people of Amethi. No big factory was set up in Amethi in 5 years, no big project came. By promising development to Amethi before the elections, Smriti Irani could not do any work that would provide employment to the people, educational opportunities, and improve their standard of living. Some of Smriti Irani's close leaders and people used to handle all her work in Amethi. Due to this, local BJP leaders were sidelined, and the reason for this was that the local leaders there were not happy with Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani had to bear the brunt of the displeasure of local leaders and workers in the form of defeat. BJP leaders and workers were not at all happy with the interference of leaders close to Smriti Irani in the local politics of Amethi. The result of this is that after Smriti became an MP, the political base of BJP weakened in Amethi. The people of Amethi defeated Rahul Gandhi in 2019 and made Smriti Irani win, but kept regretting for 5 years. The reason behind this was that the people of Amethi have a deep relationship with the Gandhi family. In such a situation, it was the biggest responsibility of Smriti Irani to bring out the inner feelings of regret of the people of Amethi due to Rahul Gandhi's defeat. But instead of ending it, Smriti Irani kept targeting Rahul Gandhi and the Gandhi family from the road to the parliament. Smriti Irani could not understand the emotions of the people of Amethi, and she kept targeting the Gandhi family. Apart from this, while representing Amethi for 5 years, the attitude and temperament of Smriti Irani was also not liked by the people of Amethi, and the mistake that the people of Amethi made by electing Smriti Irani in 2019, they rectified it in 2024. If we talk about Kishori Lal Sharma, who won this seat, then Kishori Lal Sharma has been a close friend of Rajiv Gandhi. Let's listen to some of his sentiments during election time.
1983 में 22 साल की उम्र में यहाँ पे अमेठी में आया था। राजीव जी के संरक्षण में मैंने यहाँ पे काम किया। बहुत सी चीजें उनसे सीखी मैंने जिंदगी के अंदर कि किस तरह मतदाता का सम्मान होता है, किस तरह से यहाँ की जनता के लिए काम होते हैं, ये मैंने उनसे सीखा। उसके बाद मैंने सोनिया जी से बहुत सी चीज़ें सीखी। राहुल जी नई सदी के नेता थे, उनसे भी काम करने का तरीका मैंने सीखा। लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे बहुत ऋणी हूँ गांधी परिवार का कि जिन्होंने एक प्रत्याशी बना के मेरे को आपके बीच भेजा। मैं उनका सदैव आभारी रहूंगा, क्योंकि एक छोटे से कार्यकर्ता को इतना बड़ा सम्मान जो दिया है, इसका पूरे देश में एक संदेश किया है।
He has been associated with him for a long time and has been a key player in the elections in Amethi from 1983 to 1991. He helped strengthen the Congress party. He also played an important role in Sonia Gandhi's first election campaign in 1999, which resulted in her victory in Amethi.